Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, the Bitcoin is the daily. What it done for us, it closed another day here. And that day it was very low volume. There is no volume today. All investors, they still waiting. There is no one entering short, no one entering long, because investors, they still waiting what's going to happen. And Bitcoin here, it give us here like an inside bar now. As you see it from that green candle here, it gave us an inside bar, and the one everyone know how to trade it. It need to break up for us to enter long or to break down for us to enter short, like how it happened here. If you remember it here in that place here. So now we're still in a level where it's going to take some time, and I tell you it's going to stay like that till next week, because till now it doesn't show nothing here. And even if we try to show you here, that one here, what you're seeing, if you remember yesterday what else we said here about that level here, we told you here we're breaking that trend line here as you see it. Until now the market, it doesn't show it will go back inside. So also we're still waiting if it's going to break up here. So if you are a long-term trader, just DCA and forget about all that. You are very close to the bottom of the Bitcoin, and there is a lot of indicators they saying that. And forget about what those people they using oscillators, they telling you are at the overbought. Bitcoin, when it enters to the overbought, that's the right time for it to start a bull run, a big bull run. And now you are here at that place. It's showing us it's breaking here. Let me show you which level I'm talking about. It's breaking for us the top of that wedge here. Now we're still waiting a candle to come to close above that level here for us to enter more long. Because as you remember what I told you about that level there, we make it like that together and we came down here to that level here and that one here in the top of those ones, and we said the Bitcoin is being sideways here all along here. Then when it's breaking here, it gives us a very well-known wake off here. So tell now what that's showing to us. Plus we stay in here. If it's break up here, you're going to see the Bitcoin going very high. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, maybe from here is going to correct to here to the 200 moving average, and after that it will go up. So it's going to give you like that a higher high. And by the way, we'll repeat it again. If you are a long-term trader, stick only with the daily. If you are a swing trader in 4 hours, and if you are a day trader and scalper, 30 minutes and down, you're going to find it sections. So you choose which type of trading you are, and you go to the time frame you want and you watch it. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow. The pictures will get more clear to you. The coming news for tomorrow, as you see it, actually we got something very special here. Is that one is the core PCI. That one is going to give us a picture about the inflation in USA. How is it? Plus we got here that pending home sales. That one here. Even that one is going to give us a very clear picture. Over here it's showing the PCI is going to come positive. That's something very good, because that one is the inflation for the month. It's not the total inflation. So you need to make a close eye at it. And here our friend, that table, also we're looking at it every day. As you see it, US stocks, all of them, they close in the day green. That's something very good, as you see them. Nasdaq, the SP 500, Dow Jones, all of them, they are green. And here, our friend, the VIX, it's showing us scarness is getting lower and lower. And also we're breaking even that 19. Also we are now 18. That, man, we are in a very good position. And volatility is very low now. So people, the day trade and scalping, it's nice positions for you. Everything is too clear. And here the dollar index, as I told you in the last video, it's going up. That's what it's showing here, but not that much. It's still in that 101. We're still waiting the Fed or Jerome Powell what is going to say that week, because all the eyes is it focused now about Jerome Powell and the interest rate of USA and what he going to say in the press conference after the decision about interest rate. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here we said it yesterday in the last video where we analyzed for you the Bitcoin. We came here in the top, and here we do it like that. And we told you if it's breaking up, we will enter long. If it's breaking lower here, we will enter short. As you see the tell here. And now here it gives us a very clear flag like that. Look at it, very clear flag now. You came from down, you can make it like that, but also still waiting the break to happen up for us to enter long, to happen down, for us to enter short. By the way, the people in my Telegram channel just post for them a picture about that. Even you can join us. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So till now we don't have nothing here indicating that the market is going to reverse or is going to continue it up. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. And even if we zoom in out like that to see the clear picture, you remember what me I told you here, we're making here like a up channel like that. We're touching the down of it here and we're touching the top of it here. Now we're touching the lower of it here. Now either it's going to go back up to touch up here, or from that level is going to break and to fall down. So till now there is nothing new. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen. And as you see here, the 200 moving average started trending up. So we don't know what's going to happen in the coming days. If it's break here, also we're going to close all the long position we open from here. If it's break up here, people they haven't entered, they can enter from here. And also we will still holding our long position. We go with it more up. It's going now to tell our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, I'll show you here. We got here a divergence like that. I'll show you that one very a lot of time now. But till now, we don't break the price action lower here. Price action we got is that channel here, that one. It hasn't getting broke down, so there is no entry. And also, we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. And me, I tell it to you, when we enter here, I told you, the Bitcoin is going to move till the next week when Jerome Powell going to come and tell us in the press conference what they are going to do, if they are going to ease or no. Till now, also still waiting here. And me personally, I believe like that. Let me show you. Me personally, I believe it's going to fall down when it's touching here the trend line here. That one, by the way, is the daily trend line. When it will touch it here, Bitcoin it will reverse. So all that correction is just going to touch here. Then after that, we'll go up again. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen. Till now, there is nothing new. Also, we're still waiting. Even if you got here a divergence, even if you got everything, that one is just an oscillator. You don't need to base your trading on it. Base your trading on price action, because price action, it doesn't repeat itself. Oscillators, all of them, they repeat themselves. You need to remember that very well. And every time I remember you. Now, it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it entered here to the overbought area. Actually, we enter from here in the place where we break in. But till now, it doesn't give us here any price action indicating the market is going to reverse. So also, we're still waiting. Yes, we're drawing here like now a flag. And by the way, the flag is a continuation pattern. Like how it happened here. Flag it indicating the market will continue upward. That's what the flag it meant. So till now also still waiting. And majority of investors they still waiting. There is no picture clear yet. You need to wait even you. There is no need to rush. You just need to wait till the right moment came. Then you enter. I think everything is too clear here. So for you to enter short, what you need, because our indicator here is it at the overbought area. That means technically you need to look in here for a short opportunity. So for you to enter short, you need to wait in, because look with me here, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone from here. We fell down last time, now you are in it. That's the first thing. Second thing, our indicator is it here at the overbought area. Should we enter short? No, my friend, that one is just an oscillator. That's what I've been telling you. The most important is the price action. The price action you got doesn't confirm it for you. You need to enter short, so you need to wait and more till the break happen. If it doesn't, there is no entry. You need to wait and more till the right moment came. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go to 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video which me I told you like that the market it give you here a double top here, as you see them here. If it's breaking lower here, you enter short. And me, I remember that I told you if it's breaking the 200 moving average, you enter short. As you see it doesn't break in lower here. And actually it give you here a price action here. Look with me here. What it give you here? It give you here like a triangle now. If it's breaking up, you can enter long again. If it's breaking lower, you enter short, because that one is just a price action. Look with me how I draw it. You came to those peaks, those ones, that one, and you connecting those dots together like that. And down you came to those ones here, that one, and that one. And you connecting them together. It gives you there like a triangle, and you waiting the break what's going to happen, if it's breaking up or it's breaking down. And by the way, that one is 30 minutes, so you need to wait in a little bit. If it's breaking down, take profit of you, it needs to be down here. If it's breaking up here, take profit of you, it needs to be just here. Or you protect yourself, then you start moving the stop loss upward. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. So here also we need to looking for a short. Price action we got is that one here. Or it's need at least to break the 200 moving average for us to know it's going to fall down. And here, look with me. Here, very important thing. Look with me here. That one, we show it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it again. Look here. Look now here. The 200 moving average here, it's being trending. Look at it here. It's being sideways. Look at it here. It's being trending. And look at it here. It's being sideways. You see it or no? The 200 moving average here, it's talking to you. Here, sideways. Here, sideways. You are in a sideways market. You don't know what's going to happen. Either we're going to break up and we go more higher, or we're going to fall down again. So till now, us we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. And me, I tell it to you, I told you got two levels, that one here and that one here, and you waiting the break where it's going to happen, if it's breaking up or it's breaking down. Till now there is no break, so there is no entry, and you do it in the 4 hours, not here in 30 minutes. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now.